We're Plumlogix, your digital transformation partner. Meet our leading US-based metro area planning and development client, the City of Boston, which empowers youth through paid training, career readiness, and community engagement. However, they face challenges in managing grants, workforce development, inventory tracking, and community engagement, leading to inadequate program oversight, reporting complexity, and limited resources for data management. That's when they partnered with Plumlogix to develop and deploy a sustainable Salesforce-based Lightning experience application. With efficient grant management, they can now track key attributes for success and stay organized. The workforce development solution offers seamless participant progress tracking and helps manage data and records for streamlined service delivery. The implemented solution automates the process involved in inventory tracking, thus eliminating the risk of human error in critical inventory-related projections. We improved coordination and connection between the City of Boston team members, participants, and other stakeholders to provide a seamless grant management experience. The outcome: a remarkable 50% boost in productivity, 25% cost savings, and enhanced data management capabilities. Using Salesforce Sales Cloud, Lightning Web Components, Jotform, GitHub, and Jira, the Plumlogix team streamlined operations and empowered the City of Boston to achieve its digital transformation goals. Let our certified experts help you achieve your digital transformation goals. Contact us today and revolutionize your Salesforce operations for an optimized service delivery. At Plumlogix, we empower public and government organizations to achieve citizen-centric solutions. Let's work together to create a brighter future.